Morning students, this is the third session from the polar coordinates topic, type 2, infinitive problems. If the limits are infinitive, then how to solve the integration by changing into polar coordinates. This is the first problem in infinitive problem. Evaluate integral 0 to infinitive integral 0 to infinitive e power minus of x square plus y square into dx dy by changing into polar coordinates. So here, 0 to infinity, it is a constant limit. This one is also constant limit. So you can take this is x limit or this is y limits, no problem. So given that x limits are x equals to 0 to x equals to infinity and y limits are y equals to 0 to y equals to infinity. So according to this limits, what will be the region? See, observe this. So x equals to 0, this is x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. X equals to 0 to x equals to infinity. X equals to 0 to somewhere x equals to infinity. Somewhere x equals to infinity will be somewhere. So this is x equals to infinity and y equals to 0 and y equals to infinity also it touches somewhere on the space. Okay, y equals to not on the axis, y equals to infinity is here, x equals to infinity will be here. Okay, x equals to infinity and y equals to infinity somewhere. So I repeat once again, x equals to 0 on the axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. So x equals to 0 means this one, this is x equals to 0 and x equals to infinity on the x-axis x equals to infinity somewhere it will be, so x equals to infinity and y equals to 0, y equals to 0. So this is y equals to infinity. So at infinity point it may touches. So with respect to this region we have to find the integration by changing into polar coordinates. Changing into polar coordinates. Changing into polar coordinates by putting x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta and dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Now we have to find the r limits and theta limits. So r limits. So center r equals to radius, r means radius, radius always starts with 0 to infinity. So r equals to 0 to r equals to infinity. If you understand, if you are not able to understand this, just you substitute value here. X is 0, 0 equals to r cos theta, then r equals to 0. X infinity, if you substitute infinity here, infinity equals to r into cos theta, r equals to infinity. So r equals to 0 to r equals to infinity, you may get. Okay, now next theta limits. So from the given limits, the region starts at x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. That means the region in the first quadrant only. The region is in first quadrant. So first quadrant. So this region is in this angle only. So the angle is theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. So therefore theta limits, I hope everyone understood how to take the theta limits. Theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. X equals to here, the integration starts lower limit x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. X equals to 0 means this one and y equals to 0 means this one. Okay, so now with respect to this region only we have to find the integration. This region is in which angle? Theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. In between this angle only the region will be. So therefore theta limits are theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. So we get all the details, so then we can find the integration. So both are constant limits. So then first we find we write r equals to 0 to infinity and theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 e power minus of x square r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta into r dr, dx dy means r dr d theta integral r equals to 0 to infinity, integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, e power, take r square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So e power minus r square into r into dr d theta. Put r square equals to t. Put r square equals to t. You know substitution method, put r square equals to t. So first we are going to integrate with respect to r, whatever we are going to integrate with respect to r with respect to theta, because since both limits are constant limits. So first I am going to integrate with respect to r. So r equals to 0 to infinity e power minus r square into r dr. So into d theta. So for this integration, put r square equals to t. This implies 2r into dr equals to dt. This implies r into dr equals to 1 by 2 into dt. So substitute the limits. Lower limit, if r equals to 0, substitute r equals to 0 here. 0 square equals to t, that implies t equals to 0. Upper limit, if r equals to infinity, infinity square means infinity, so theta equals to infinity. Substitute all the values in this integration. So that is integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, integral, for r equals to 0 you can change t equals to 0 to t equals to infinity e power minus r square means t minus t r dr. R dr means 1 by 2 into dt into d theta. Okay, now we have to find this integration. 1 by 2 is constant, you can write outside. 1 by 2 integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 e power minus t into dt. Integral of e power minus t means e power minus t by minus 1. Limits theta equals to 0 to infinity into d theta. Okay, 1 by 2, take minus outside, minus 1 by 2 integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. Substitute limits, e power minus infinity minus e power 0 into d theta. Minus 1 by 2 integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. We know that e power minus infinity we can write as e power infinity. 1 by e power infinity means 1 by infinity. E power infinity means infinity. 1 by infinity equals to 0. So 0 minus e power 0 value 1 into d theta. So minus 1 take outside, minus into minus plus, theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 d theta. So 1 by 2 integral d theta means theta. Theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. This equals to pi by 4. This is the answer for this question. So now next problem. By changing into polar coordinates, evaluate the integral 0 to infinity x square by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2 into dx dy. Here if you observe, the limits are 0 to infinity. We have to find this integration by changing into polar coordinates. Every problem you have to read carefully. By changing into polar coordinates or by finding the area or what they are asking, you have to read carefully. So by changing into polar coordinates, so given that x limits are 0 to infinity, y limits are 0 to infinity. Given that x limits x equals to 0 to x equals to infinity and y limits are y equals to 0 to y equals to infinity. As I said the previous problem, x equals to 0 is this one and x equals to infinity somewhere, this is x equals to infinity, and y equals to 0 this one and y equals to infinity somewhere this one. Okay, so with respect to this region we have to find the integration. Observe this region is in positive quadrant. So this positive quadrant is in between theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2 angle. So now changing into polar coordinates, you have to write this step. Changing into polar coordinates by putting by putting x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Dr d theta. Now find r limits. R limits. What will be the r limits? Tell me. What will be the r limits? R equals to 0 to r equals to infinity. R limits r equals to 0 to r equals to infinity. So now what are the theta limits? Tell me what are the theta limits. As I said, I told you already, this region is in between the angle theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. So theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. Now we find the integration. Integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, integral r equals to 0 to infinity. X square means r square cos square theta by, okay, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. Dx dy means r dr d theta. Just I substitute these values in the given function. So this equals to, first I am going to integrate with respect to theta. Just I am interchanging this integration limits because both are constant limits. You can do any order. So r square cos square theta by r square, take common, cos square theta, r square, if you take common, r square whole power 3 by 2 into cos square theta plus sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 into r dr d theta. Okay, so 2 get cancelled, r cube. So integral r equals to 0 to infinity, integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, r square into r cube cos square theta by r cube into 1 whole power 3 by 2 means 1 dr d theta. So r cube get cancelled. So this equals to integral r equals to 0 to infinity, integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta. Cos square theta we can write as 1 plus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. So 1 plus cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. This equals to integral r equals to 0 to infinity, integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta into dr. This equals to 1 by 2, take outside, r equals to 0 to infinity, integral theta equals to 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta into d theta into dr. This equals to 1 by 2, integral r equals to 0 to infinity, integral of 1 means theta plus cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta by 2. Limits theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 into dr. 1 by 2, integral r equals to 0 to infinity, first pi by 2, substitute upper limit minus lower limit in theta, pi by 2 minus 0 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 into pi by 2 minus sin 0 into dr. We are substituting upper limit pi by 2 in sin 2 into pi by 2 minus sin 2 into 0 means 0. So 1 by 2, integral r equals to 0 to infinity pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 get cancelled, sin pi is 0 minus 0 into dr. This equals to 1 by 2, integral r equals to 0 to infinity pi by 2 into dr. So take outside pi by 2, pi by 4, integral r equals to 0 to infinity dr. Integral dr means r. Limits r equals to 0 to infinity. Pi by 4, infinity minus 0. So infinity into something equals to infinity. This is the answer. So this is the infinitive problems we have to solve like this. These two problems in type 2 problems, if the limits are infinitive and by changing into polar coordinates we have to solve like this procedure.